today, dog.
Oh, dang.
Customs.
Dang, buddy. Y'all got the proper foot attire out here.
Like a ninja with some toe outs.
Oh, is that what it is? Oh, my God.
Like did I slip yesterday?
When somebody gets stuck, I just put my big toe around that thing. You all right?
It's just so gross.
The toe looks gross?
Just grabbing stuff with your toes. That's one of those things.
I had a long time finger toe.
Oh,
Look at that.
stop. Stop grabbing shit. Oh, my God.
I'm not grabbing, I'm just trying to hold on to my shoe.
I don't know if that brute's gonna make it back up right here.
Well, what happened?
He's got that ledge, and his diff lock's kind of iffy.
Oh, that's right. I didn't even come back this way, so I don't even know how it is.
Yeah, that little ledge right there is it's pretty tough.
That was a nice little drop off, though. I like it.
That's a launch pad.
Are you gonna launch it?
No, I'm not going in.
You're not gonna go in it?
I should, but
When you get to that back right,
you should. You gotta represent for the Can-Am.
That's right.
Yeah.
Yeah, the Can-Ams aren't here to represent. You gotta do it.
Right there.
just don't jump it. Just go. And keep your pipe clean.
That's why it's hard to go after.
It's harder to come out, yeah.
Whenever you're digging it out, that's all right.
There you go.
You got it.
Easy. Easy.
What's the stuck count? Anybody get stuck? Who? Parker? You the one. You that guy.
Yeah, you that guy.
You that guy.
Hey, y'all breathing for air. You get no air.
You know your limits, little man.
You gotta stay in your lane, buddy.
That's right. There you go.
That's why you're
Got that wheel.
There it is.
Slow, slow. Got that wheel.
Too easy. Too easy.
Who's next?
can't say that around there.
That's child's play.
All right. You ready?
I need to put my shoes back
You know what
on.
happened? I choked it.
Your choke was on? Yeah.
Big time.
Let me see what that rancher can do, man. Let me try it. Let me try it.
What? Oh, I guess it's yours to break. I'll let you break it.
I'll let you try it in a second. But I'm just curious, man. I'm just curious. You want to try it? All you gotta do is just stay on the gas. That's all you gotta do. And so you might, when you get up there, you're gonna have to lean. You're gonna have to lean left and right. Okay, try it out. Go ahead, try it out. Just stay in first gear. Just stay in first gear. And if the exhaust, so if the exhaust goes underwater, just stay on it.
Oh, the exhaust is gone,
Yeah, just stay on the throttle, but you're gonna have to start leaning left and right up there, okay? Because it's gonna bottom out, so you're gonna have to lean. So first,
Turn the wheel and lean.
yeah.
Oh yeah, baby. Okay, look.
It's gonna drop off here in a second, so be careful. There it is. There you go. There you go. You got it. Just keep going side to side. Yeah, turn the steering wheel too. There you go. There you go. There you go. Feel for them ruts. There it is. You don't gotta go fast. You just gotta go. Just crawl it. Just crawl it. There it is, buddy. There it is. Lean hard this side. There you go. There you go. Just like that. Just like that. Just like that. Keep coming this way. There you go, find that grip. All right, now turn your wheel to the right. Get back on that side. Go on that side. All right, try to come back this way. Get all dirty. Ready? Get on this side. There it is. Keep going. Easy. The mud bugs, buddy. Mud bugs in the solid rear axle. You ready? The biggest to make are 28s.
He said it'll make his bike slower.
And it's a 0.75. It's a 3/4 inch lug. It's the biggest they make. Get it. Go, go, go. The mud bugs go, buddy. There it is. Oh, mud bugs doing it. Oh, there we go. digging. Just digging.
Are you breathing hard yet?
That's why I'm in such good shape over here, you know?
Yeah, I can see why you lost your weight.
Right. Look at old Ronnie. Good job, buddy. Good job. First time he had to work it. That's what I'm talking about.
Yeah, hang on. I gotta get a drink of water.
Okay. What happened?
I think there's a dead end up there.
Oh, okay. Just check
We
it.
need to go back and go this way, I think. Somewhere.
Okay.
But I just sent him to check. That way it's a whole lot easier.
Oh, yeah, yeah.
Get this all down there.
Man, it's like I'm leading right now. We're always turning around when I lead. I like it. I like it.
You should have seen yesterday. I literally took us down 4 trail, like main road, off the road, go turn around. Back to that same main road, off the road to the other side, turn around. Back to the same main road.
Yes. Oh my God. Carol, why you gotta be playing games for? Why are you playing? That's not funny. Oh God. Have you seen them in like the caves and stuff where they all bunch up together?
Yeah. I climbed into one of those.
Oh my.
There's like millions of them.
Oh, I hate that.
Come out there all over you.
Yeah.
It don't get better from here.
It don't.
I mean, like dry.
Oh, that's
Like,
perfect. That's
yeah.
perfect.
It only gets better from here.
That's what you're saying. Yeah, I was like, what the hell?